think Holden and Joseph are both over it.
What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today we're doing something really fun, and he just left. Today we're doing something super fun, and we are going to have Holden here, my little baby. He is a French Bulldog, and he's about 2 years old. He is going to be trying on some Halloween costumes that we got at Target, so this is going to be really fun. Let's get started, shall we? He wants to eat the costume. All right, first up, we have this hot dog costume. We got all these at Target, like I said, so let's put this on without him eating it, preferably. Oh my gosh, look at you. You're the cutest little hot dog ever, dude. Look at Gammy. You're so cute. That's so adorable. I freaking love this. I just wish it covered a little bit more. It's kind of a cheap costume, but I think it was only like $3, right? Or something like that. So it's kind of not bad, I guess. All right, next up, we are gonna have a baby shark. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. 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 Okay, let's put this one on, dude. Don't eat it all. It's so adorable, dude. Ooh, this one barely fits in the neckline. Oh my gosh, look at how cute you are. You're a little baby shark. It's so adorable. This one is so cute. Oh, it had a little tag.
I don't know. I think this one, he's over it.
Alright, so the next one is a pretty basic pumpkin, but I think Holden can rock it. Let's see. I know you hate putting on clothes. I'm so sorry. If this is not the cutest pumpkin you have ever seen, I don't know what is. He's tired. My little pumpkin, you're so cute.
So I think Holden and Joseph are both over it.
All right, next up we have a little referee costume. This is gonna be adorable. And, oh my gosh, this one's so cute. Okay, this one's a little bit big, but it's adorable. All these costumes are medium because Holden's a little bit on the thicker side.
You look so handsome.
So cute. And finally, we saved the best for last. Of course, we had to get him a little unicorn costume because it's kind of on brand for us. So let's put this baby on. You're gonna look so adorable, dude. Look at you. You're the cutest unicorn I've ever seen. You're such a cutie. Look at how cute you look, bub. Oh, he don't like it. Alrighty, y'all, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and had fun watching Holden try on all these different costumes. In the comment section down below, let us know which of these he should actually go trick-or-treating in, because I'm really curious as to see what is y'all's favorites. And that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. We love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!